So for today's tutorial, our basic stitch is called half double crochet. That's the name, that's the abbreviation, HTC, and that's the symbol, a big T. The symbol is usually used in a drawing pattern or graphic pattern, and it's a big T without a line in the middle. Okay, so how to make a half double crochet. So grab your foundation chain. Please see the card above for the video of the foundation chain. So I already have a foundation chain here to start the project. And I wrap the yarns around my finger. So wrap the yarn around the hook, and you have to insert your hook into the chain next to the hook or the next stitch if the pattern says so, or there's no skipping. So insert your hook into that stitch like this, okay, and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through, and now you have 3 yarns in your hook. 1, 2, 3. And then you have to do another wrap the yarn around your hook, and you have to pull this yarn all the way to the end of the 3rd yarn in your hook, all the way here. Okay, pull that yarn like so. So that is a half double crochet. That's what the half double crochet looks like. Again, wrap your yarn around your hook and insert it here in the next stitch. And wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. And now you have 3 yarns. 1, 2, 3, and wrap your yarn around a hook, and again this yarn, pull it all the way here like so. So there's another half double crochet in your foundation chain. Again, wrap your yarn around your hook, insert it into the next stitch or next foundation chain, and wrap your yarn around your hook, and there's 3 yarns, and wrap your yarn around a hook and pull it through. So that is a half double crochet. This is what a half double crochet looks like. So if the pattern says you have to make 10 half double crochet, you have to do 10 half double crochet. If the pattern says 20, so of course you have to do 20. So what I have here, this is what a half double crochet looks like. It's thicker or taller than the single crochet. So you basically have to follow the pattern or whatever the pattern says. So this is one of the basic stitches, the half double crochet. This is pretty much one of the stitches that you always meet if you read a pattern or if you have some freehand projects. This is one of the things that you should firsthand to learn. So this is what a half double crochet looks like. I've finished my 10 half double crochet. So that's the abbreviation HTC, and that's the symbol and the name, half double crochet. And this is what the stitch looks like. Okay, so it's a bit taller than the single crochet, but it's shorter than the double crochet. We'll be talking about double crochet in the next video.
We got something good.